get studied the typical structure of male gametophyte. Structure of male gametophyte or structure of stamen. In male reproductive organ, that is stamen, consists of three parts. Upper knob-like part are commonly called as anther lobe, middle connective part are called as connective, and basal stalk-like part are called as filament. These anther lobe produces the pollen grains. That's why you get studied the tears of mature anther. Tears of mature anther. In this tears of mature anther, it consists of two main parts. Tears of mature anther consist of two main parts. First one is all of anther and second one is pollen sacs. All of anther consists of following parts like epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, and tapetum. All of anther and pollen sac can compose the tears of mature anther. About these two parts, first one is all of anther. It is bounded by the four layers: epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, and tapetum. Epidermis, it is a outermost protective covering of all of anther. Epidermis, it is a outermost covering of all of anther, which is bounded by single layered cells. That is called as epidermis. It is the outermost protective covering of all of anther, commonly called as epidermis. They are single layered. Then second one is endothecium. It is present inner side of these epidermis. It is the second layer. Inner side of these epidermis, they contain the second layer of all of anther, that is called as endothecium. They are multi-layered. Then third layer of these all of anther are commonly called as middle layer. They are placed inside this endothecium and they are multi-layered. That is called as middle layer of all of anther. Then tapetum, starchy nutritive tissue layer. Starchy nutritive tissue layer which are present around the pollen sacs. Starchy nutritive tissue layer which are present around the pollen sac, that is called as tapetum. These tapetum are commonly called as starchy nutritive tissue layer. Epidermis, endothecium, middle layer and tapetum, all of these four parts can compose by all of anther. Then pollen sacs, inside these tapetum, the rounded bodies are placed. These rounded bodies are commonly called as pollen sacs. These pollen sacs contain pollen tetrads. Pollen sacs contain number of pollen tetrads. These pollen tetrads contain diploid pollen tetrads contain diploid pollen mother cells or diploid microspore mother cells. These diploid pollen mother cells or diploid microspore mother cells undergoes meiosis, that is meiotic division can taken to form haploid pollen grain. This phenomenon is commonly called as microsporogenesis. At the time of maturity of these anther lobe, they will dehisce, they will break the olapanther containing tapetum layer, middle layer, endothecium as well as epidermis, and they will liberate at the atmosphere. During pollination phenomenon or during pollination process, these haploid pollen grain become transfer and deposit over the respective stigma. That is the TS of mature anther. Mature anther transverse section shows two main parts. First one is olapanther and second one is pollen sacs. Olapanther consists of three parts. First one is epidermis, second one is endothecium, third one is middle layer, and last one is tapetum. And second part are commonly called as pollen sac. That is the typical structure of male gametophyte or typical structure of stamen, that is called as TS of mature anther.